Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little haul and then a little package from Krystina's Craftiness D-Stash on Instagram. She also has a YouTube that she's trying to revamp and start posting more often, so I'm excited for that. But I'll do the haul part first and then her monthly kits that she offers. So first thing are these little Pebbles tags. I absolutely love these little tags. I think they're perfect for layering behind things. And you don't have to use the little string part as well. I don't know why I love them so much, but I do love these, and it comes with 12. And then I got these. These are the enamel stickers, the metal ones. I don't have these for my carousel collection, so I'm super excited for these. Comes with 6 as well, little enamel stickers. And then Krystina has the Heritage, the new Heritage collection by Maggie Holmes. And I picked up, I absolutely loved this, the 6x8. It had foiling and stuff, so that's why I got this one. Let's see. Do a quick flip through. I'm sure you guys have seen it everywhere. Really pretty peachy peak. I love the swans, polka dots with foil. These have foiling on them. Very vintage vibes. Gold foiling, little houses, flowers, cute little hearts and like, what are those, spade signs? Little bow page. And then the little, I forgot what those are called. But there's the 6x8, and then these 2 sheets. Oh my gosh, so cute. These are the single sheets by Pebble. They're vellum with gold foil spider webs, and you can easily fussy cut those out if you want and layer them on embellishments and stuff, or just use this as like background pieces and whatnot, envelopes, all sorts of cuteness. 2 of those guys. Next is Krystina makes she just started doing monthly kits. Last month was her first month, and then this is the September kit. Or August kit, I don't know, I think this is September's kit. But she packaged it up all cute. And basically is what it is, just she's gonna sell you all the supplies to make like an example of what she had. Last month was a banner. This month is a little picture frame, and then a like shadow box style. Look at this cute little trim. I gotta save this. Cute little tag. Okay, so this is what you get in the kit, and you guys, this kit, her kits are shipping included. So this is 30 bucks for all of this. I mean, this is a great deal. She did the, have I been saying Spooky Boo? She used the Hey Pumpkin collection. So this is the 6x12 stickers that you get. It has like the holographic detailing on there. I like those little words right there. Super cute. Then the Hey Pumpkin little puffy stickers. And then the 6x8 paper pad, the 6x8. Look how cute. Polka dots. I love that little eek page. I love the little pumpkin faces. Candy corn page. It says boo to you in like that holographic. Love the little cat faces. Houses. Those look like teeth on the other page. Love that spider web page. Love this one. Look at the cute little ghosts. And then like a full calendar on there. So that's what you get. And then you get your 2, look at this little washi tape, trick or treat in gold foil. And then you get these 2 little things that you can, you know, make a tag flip with this guy. Or you don't have to. And then she's included some of her famous handmade crepe paper rosettes. Look at this. So you get 2 black, 2 orange, and 2 white. And it's got the little coordinating spider web doily on top of it. Super cute. And then you get like little knickknacks, and like I said, you can create, you get 2 things in this month's kit. Some pom-pom trim. Ooh, that cute trim that I already saved. Some polka dot orange trim on here. Look at the cute little spider and the cute little bat. And then she's even made, oh, 4. I thought there was only 3. Sequins mixes for you guys. I know some of you guys struggle to make some. Look how cute, and it has little bats in there. Love that color scheme. Then this one right here, this one has like little ghosts in it and stars and blues, bluish purple. Then this one right here is like a green, like a lime green and blacks, and it's got the creepy little spiders in there. And then this one's like a traditional orange and golds with the little pumpkin faces in there. So you get 4 different ones. You could be all sorts of ideas to make with this. Shakers, all sorts of stuff. Then this, she sent some papers that you guys can die cut and use and stuff. So you get white, orange, and black times 2. Like that. This is probably 6 by 8-ish. Probably 8 by 5? 8 by 5-ish maybe? I don't know. Guessing. And then look at this adorable little like shadow box. You can alter this in any way that you like. It is 8 1/4 inches long and 6 3/4 inches wide. It's got this cute little black and white stripe in the back. So I'm excited to create with this. I am a guest designer for this month's kit. Of course, I love Halloween. This is right up my alley. So I can't wait to show you guys another video like with what I thought of and with what I'm gonna make with this kit. So yeah, I'll link Krystina's information down below, and you guys can jump on board for the next kit because she does have limited spots, you guys. So you got to jump on it, be following her, and you know, sign up for the next kit when it's available. Bye guys, catch you on the next video.